What are you showing Angelina? Hi! Ooh, Liam, show her how to play with the little ball. How do you spin it? Good job! Oh, that looks crazy, huh, Lena? Do it again. Angelina. Yeah? All done? No more pictures, please. Hey, where's Angelina? Where is she? Where is she? Is she right there? There she is. You see her in the picture? Yeah? Why don't you go show her how to spin that again? Go spin it. Will you spin the ball for her? Hi, Lena. Do you have any smiles today? Maybe? You're thinking about it? Go spin the ball for Lena. Go spin. Do you want to hold the camera? Yeah. Say hi, Lena. Hi, Lena. Hi, Liam. Cool beans. You want Mommy to do it? Okay. Whee! You want to sit up a little baby girl? There you go. That's a good girl. Whee! All right, now you do it, Liam. Good job. Good big brother. She thinks that's funny. You want to do it, Lena? Show her some other stuff? Yeah, show her some other stuff? Uh-oh. Yeah. Liam, can you go, uh-oh? No. That's a good job, buddy. Want to show her the monkey? Yeah, monkey gives her kisses? Mwah. Show her the monkey. Mwah. Oh, you're such a good brother. Oh, gentle. Be gentle. Uh-oh. George fell down. Hee-hee. Liam, did she do that? I guess I'll have to roll the tape. Did Lena do that? Oh. Whoa. So what do you think? You gonna try to reach it? It's right here. Hi. Hi. Yeah, okay. Can you say bye-bye? Can you do bye-bye? That's right, let me see. Say bye-bye. Show me bye-bye. Okay. Liam. Can you at least look at mommy? Not feeling it? Alright, maybe Lena will do bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Lena. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.